In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix internal error occurred in Google AI Studio. Try these fixes 2026. If you're seeing that vague internal error occurred message, don't worry. It's usually not your fault, and it often points to a prompt issue, a temporary service hiccup, or a small browser or network glitch. I'll walk you through a set of practical fixes, try them in order, and test after each one so you can pinpoint what solved it. Start by adjusting your prompt. This error can appear when the model tries to produce something the interface can't handle, like creating a file instead of returning text. Rephrase your request to be explicit. Ask for plain text or valid JSON, and avoid instructions that imply file creation, uploading, or running external actions. If you're requesting structured output, specify the exact format and keep it simple. Also consider shortening very long inputs or outputs, since oversized content can trigger internal failures. Next, check your internet stability. A flaky connection can interrupt requests midstream. If possible, switch to a more reliable network, pause heavy downloads, or try a wired connection. Quickly run a speed or latency check, and if you're on Wi-Fi, move closer to the router or momentarily disconnect and reconnect to refresh your link. Now, verify Google AI Studio's server status. Even the best services have brief outages or degraded performance. Check the official status dashboards or support channels. If there's an incident reported, the best move is to wait and retry later, rather than chasing other fixes. If servers look healthy, consider rate limits and model choice. Hitting quotas or sending bursts of requests can generate generic errors. Space out your runs, reduce concurrency, and keep your prompts concise. If you can, switch to a different model or a lighter variant. Sometimes moving from a cutting-edge model to a more stable one clears transient errors, especially during peak times. If the issue persists, refresh your session. Open an incognito or private window and sign back into Google AI Studio, or clear the site's cache and cookies. This flushes corrupted session data that can quietly break requests. Be aware that clearing data may sign you out of sites, so save any unsent work first. Disable ad blockers and try another browser. Certain extensions interfere with web apps, script loading, or network calls. Temporarily turn them off for the site, or test in a clean profile or a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Finally, create a new app. If your current app is stuck in a bad state or misconfigured, starting fresh often resolves hidden glitches. Copy over your settings and a simplified prompt, then test again.